Hello, this is Sean Callahan, President of Metwood Building Solutions, located in Boones Mill, Virginia. I would like to present to you the Year Out project located in Wirtz, Virginia, near Smith Mountain Lake. This project features a Metwood suspended concrete slab system for the rear deck. The system provides a floor for the upper deck and a roof for the lower patio in one application. The upper garage on this project is also a Metwood suspended concrete slab, adding an additional room in the basement area under the garage. This space can be utilized for a theater room, exercise room, storage, or many other uses. The project utilized a Metwood suspended concrete slab system for the front porch to add additional space in the basement area and eliminate the need to backfill. We will be featuring this project and many more in future videos. Please subscribe and follow our channel to see more amazing projects and products from Metwood Building Solutions. Thank you.